Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you how to add Ronaldo to your Minecraft server. To add Ronaldo to Minecraft, all you have to do is head to this download link for the add-on. Once you're there, head to Files and click the top file. There you can choose whether to download manually or install with the app. I'll be downloading it manually as I want to add him to my server later on. Once the download is completed, press the Windows key and R key at the same time, and then type in this, %app data %. Then enter, and then click .minecraft and mods, and in there ensure the file we just downloaded is in there. Now the mod is installed on our client. Once that's done, head to your Minecraft server, head to the main configuration page, and ensure the server is set to the same version. In this case, it's Neo Forge 1.21.1. Once that's done, head to Files and then Mods, and make sure to drag in this mod. Then ensure you restart the server again for the mod to take effect. Once that's up and running, copy your server address and use it to head into your server. And that's it. Once you're inside your server, you'll be able to open up the creative menu. At the bottom, you'll see the spawn eggs from all his eras, such as Real Madrid, Manchester United, Al Nassr, Portugal, and even 2 eggs that can start a fight. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.